day, good morning. Again, I'm here with you all with an interesting topic that is written here, that is time. But before starting my topic, I want to ask one question to you. What is the most valuable thing for you in your life? What do you think? What is the most important thing for you in your life? When someone asks you, what do you say? Money is most important, family is most important, your health is most important, your career is important. Most of the time this answer will come. But ever you heard that anyone is saying that time is most important for me? No one says. Never I have heard the people are saying that time is very important for me and I want to invest the time. Yes, invest the time. Seems very strange. How we can invest the time? Now you will say that investing time means just studying and then making career. No, I can give you some more examples how we can invest the time. Like in a country, I have heard what happens over there when we are youth, we are healthy, we can do the work. We devote our time on Sunday, Saturday, whenever we get time in an orphanage. And what help we can do, we do these needy people. And how much time we devote over there, that is being invested. That is called time invested bank. If we have served ourselves over there 365 hours. So that means when we will get old, then we will also get someone who will serve us free of cost because we have invested that time. How the good strategy, how the good theory is this? But that means we have to care of time. Most of the time I listen the students and the youngsters and everybody say, I'm getting bored. Like during this corona pandemic, people were complaining, getting bored and getting bored. Why that bored word comes in your life? That should not be there. In last video I also told you, if you are passionate about anything, you will never get bored. You will have so much things to do. You should be multiple tasking, but you are getting bored because you do not understand the value of time. When your birth is decided, when your death is decided, you know you have got very short period. You have got very less time, and within a less time you have to prove yourself. But we do not understand the value of time. If it is not that much important, why it has been said that take care of minute, hours will take care of themselves. Means if you really take care of each minute, then you will find one day, then hours will take care of themselves. Means the theory of time, the time will itself understand you and you will be able to understand the importance of time. One more, it has been said that time and tide never waits for anyone. When time waits for none, then why we do not understand the value of time? When the time has come to you, we know that time will go and then we will remain handicapped. Then why we do not understand the value of time during that period whenever we are getting that time? Because it never waits for anyone. The time you have to utilize at that time. We say, okay, let me complete my schooling, let me complete my 10th board, let me complete my 12th, let me complete my graduation. And then we are in job, we don't get time. And later we say, now we are in family, we don't get time. We always say, we don't get time. What can I do? But ever we understand the value of time? Us teachers in time saves 9. There are multiple proverbs which is defining the value of time, which is defining the importance of time. But what we are doing? We are just wasting the time. We are killing the time. We are just passing the time. But we are not investing the time. We are not utilizing the time. There are so much things to learn. This is in this entire universe, entire world. There are so many things which you can really gain, which you really can achieve, which really can teach you a lot, which really can give you that whichever you want. But you will have to start from yourself. You will have to give your time. That time is of yours. How you design your time, how you decorate your time, that depends on you. Everybody has got same time. Everybody has got that 24 hours. But a person, what successful person is doing in that 24 hours and what you are doing. We do not care of our health, we do not care of our study, we do not care of anything. Why we do not care? When we know this is equally important as money is important. If you are being given 500 or 1000 rupees as a pocket money by your parents, and you have been asked that only this money is for a month, so you will think how you have to spend that money. When we know that that thing is very useful for us, that thing is very important for us, then we really do care of that. So when we know one day we will die, one will get old, one day we'll get sick, we will not be able to do what we can do today, what we can do now. The present is most valuable. So you all youngsters, all youth, everybody needs to understand the importance of time. Take care of each minute. Ask to the person who has lost in race only because of millisecond. The value of time for him. When you go for an exam, that 3 hours becomes very valuable. Ever you give importance to that 3 hours? Ever you give importance to that millisecond who is lost? And ask to that person who has been narrow escaped in a road accident. He would say, I was narrow escaped. I have been saved by the God grace. Ask the value of time to that person. Millisecond. Each time is very important. Each minute is important. But you need to take care. You need to understand. If you are not going to take care, if you are not going to utilize that time, one day time will finish. That you will not, only you will repent. You will have nothing to achieve that. Because each thing has time. In childhood, whatever we are doing, we cannot do in young age. In young age, whatever we are doing, we cannot do in old age. So in each age, we can utilize the time according to that. So youth are the future of a country. If all the youngsters of a country will utilize their time, will do something for themselves, if they will do something for themselves, it means they are doing something for family also. If they are doing something for family also, it means they are doing for their nation also. If they are doing something for nation, it means they are also devoting themselves for the world development. So utilize your time, do something great, do not waste your time and think what can be learned, what can be done. The time has been given to you. Okay, that's all. Now I think you will take care of time and you will ask the questions to me, and I hope you will be able to understand what message I want to spread you. My wishes are with you. My wishes are with you all. Best of luck. I hope and you will achieve one day whatever you want to achieve. Wish you all the best. Thank you.